Hey guys, welcome back to another Omegle video, and in this video I'm just going to be trying to troll whoever I can find, so hope you enjoy. First person. I feel so loved. Just kidding, you a little ugly, chacho fat kid. Goodbye. What a boring night. Oh man, didn't mean to talk to you. Sorry. White America. Oh no, that's not white.
You don't know how sick you make me. Looking for a come up. This is fucking so.
I'm gonna stare at you awkwardly, man.
So fucking I'ma start right here. I'll just be brief.
Whoa. Sup, dude? You look radical, man. Do you know how to tie a knot? I'm guessing that's a no. Well, fine then.
Another tattoo of you on my arm, but what am I going to do?
Man, you look like you're a hillbilly. Oh,
I can't believe I went and did this stupid shit again. My next girlfriend, now an
I'm creeping on you. Uh-oh. You won't. You won't. Oh yeah, you like it in your mouth. Good for you. I want that mustache, man. It takes skill for that. Sergeant.
Oh my god, you're great. Oh yes, I'm in love.
Oh no.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
I need a floss to make you blind, right? What up? This looks like a freaking golem. Dang. Pokemon? I like Pokemon. Yay! I love Pokemon. Don't you? Of course. I can tell by your hat. Can you tell by my penguin? Such a cute penguin.
how much I fucking hate you in a freestyle. You're a fucking coke, so I hope you fucking die. I hope you get to hell and Satan sticks a needle.
What? It's red.
I like your hat.
Blood. Thank you. Pink, raw pink fang.
It's so gross. Oh, oh.
Two boys. What y'all gonna do tonight, son? Ho! You like playing with fingers? Hee. Homie! Creepy too.